Hello everyone, my name is Varian Harris and today I will be presenting my Week 18 final coding project. This week I was tasked with creating my very own REST API and I chose to create an e-commerce platform. In our pom.xml file, we modified the contents with that of the Spring Initializer website. We then created each of our entity classes, our ecom store, product, and user with all of the necessary annotations as well as relationship variables. And then we created our ecom store application. After this, we created our application.yaml file in our source main resources folder, and then connected our MySQL Workbench schema, ecom store. Set our username and password, as well as accepted all privileges except for grant option. Created our ecom store controller, which houses all of our HTTP requests, as well as our connection to our ecom store service class, which houses all of our methods necessary for the controller to run properly. Here's our global error handler, our DAO interfaces, each one extending JPA repository, and our controller models that that Jackson will use to transform the object to and from JSON. All right, we'll go ahead and run this. Hop over to dbeaver, and all of our tables should be there. All right, we'll go ahead and let's run a post. All right, saved it as store 8. Let's go back here, refresh this, and there it is. Let's modify this. Let's add a period to co. All right. Store 1 has been updated. That's our HTTP put request. Now let's do another post, except this time for our product. And we'll change this to store 8. All right, that has now been added to store 8. We'll refresh this. And there it is. Update this. We'll add this one to store 8. All right, this one should be repeated because I did it for the last one. There it is. Now let's do a get, and it should give us store 1 through store 8. For some reason, my scroll won't work, and it won't show the rest of them, but they're there. Got our success. Now let's just get one store. We'll choose store 8 for this one. And there it is. And you saw there is our added user. It lists our product down there too. For some reason, like I said, it will not scroll. Now, let's make sure our delete works. Let's go ahead and delete store 8. E-commerce store with ID equal 8. Successfully deleted. We'll hop back over here to dbeaver. Refresh. Store 8 is gone. The product should also be removed. There we go. Now, let's go back to our get. And let's run this again for store 8. We should get our error message. And voila. Ecom store with ID 8 not found. This concludes my Week 18 final project. It's been a fun journey, and if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in. Varian Harris, signing out. Have a good one.